So I have a helium miner, and this next project really excites me because it reminds me of a similar thing, how much people made with a helium miner. So this is BlockDAG, the cloud mining, earn, debag, and enjoy. So did I say debag? I meant BDAG. And so let's get into that was pretty funny actually. This project already has raised 13.5 million so far, and they already have their app. So let's actually get into this keynote speaker. Let me actually turn on the volume so you guys can hear it too. I'm going to give you guys my reactions. I've never actually watched this video before, so you guys are going to get pretty much just the unedited version of me reacting to this. So I listened to everything at a little bit like 2 speed, but you guys can't probably handle that. So I'll probably just speed it up just a little bit. And I'm going to give you my take on it. So let's get into this right now. I have my sound on.
Welcome to BlockDAG. We were tired of always missing out on the next big thing, so we built it. We've created a world where mining, building, earning, and spending knows no bounds. Whether you're mining on your smartphone while sipping your morning coffee, working away in your garage at your latest project, or operating on an...
I do have my coffee with me, so that would be sweet to be watching this video, drinking coffee, and earning some BDAG.
Industrial scale. BlockDAG makes this world a reality. But wait, there's more. With the imminent launch of our coin, you'll have the opportunity to ride the waves of early adoption, seizing the advantage through our exclusive pre-sale. And once you've amassed your treasure trove of BlockDAG coins, you can spend them with ease using our user-friendly crypto payment card and trade our coins on all the exchanges where we'll be listed. No hassle, no fuss, just pure freedom.
I'm very excited to see they're listed on KuCoin, BitGet, LBank, BuyDeFi, Bybit, CoinEx, Gate.io. Some major...
I'm thrilled to introduce this revolutionary new company. BlockDAG is not just a chain. It's a world of its own. Now, our primary products are our easy-to-use crypto payment card, our BDAG coins, and last but not least, our crypto miners, which we have 4 of, ranging from the X1 to the X100. While mining is just the beginning, with our user-friendly crypto payment card, you can effortlessly...
I like that they have the different levels or different vehicles in a sense. Like they have the I think they said the X1 and the X100. I'm guessing there are various different price points, this being the cheapest, then this, and then obviously this huge monster of a beast. But it allows for a budget friendly for any kind of level, depending on what that is for you. And I think that's really cool.
Spend your hard-earned BDAG and other traditional cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana anytime, anywhere, without the hassle of waiting for transactions to clear or dealing with complex KYC procedures. Plus, you can use it at over 38 million merchants worldwide. We partnered with one of the leading banking-as-a-service provider to bring your debit card program to life. With BlockDAG, we're not just minting coins. We're forging a new digital economy that spans the globe. With a pre-sale price starting at 0.001 and a launch price of 0.05, this is a 50x gain just at launch. Backed by...
That's, where else can you get 50x launch? They're saying it's almost guaranteed, so that's pretty exciting stuff.
$100 million in liquidity. Imagine thousands of miners globally mining BDAG coins. What could the earnings be? With 50 billion coins up for grabs, the opportunities are limitless, much like what happened with Caspa and Bitcoin. So, you may be wondering how we're going to build all this. Well, the answer is easy. It's not like 5 or 6 years ago when companies made big promises and didn't deliver. There are countless banking-as-a-service and blockchain-as-a-service providers that allow companies like BlockDAG to thrive. In 2024, it's so easy to build, secure, and deploy products. It's simply plug and play. The key is security. With over $100 million in liquidity behind the coin at launch, we're positioned for the top 50 spot on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko straight away at launch in the world listings. Now,
there you go. Straight away, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, top 100 coin with 500 million. That is amazing.
Let's talk about our state-of-the-art BDAG coin miners, the backbone of the BlockDAG network. From the pocket-sized X1 to the powerhouse X100, BlockDAG's array of crypto miners provides the BlockDAG community with diverse income streams. It's not just mining. It's a range of possibilities tailored for our dynamic community. BlockDAG's state-of-the-art mining rigs make crypto mining easier and more efficient. To ensure the mining experience is as smooth as butter, we packed each miner with a user manual and a power supply unit. Keeping the future in mind, our miners are equipped with undervolted ASIC chips and an excess power supply, ensuring extended operational life. With added processing power and hardware optimized for prolonged use, our miners require minimal modifications over time. BlockDAG's future-proof mining machines ensure both pocket and eco-friendly operations.
I love that it's future-proof. That's so, you always hear these people saying that they need to keep upgrading their miners, but these are future-proof. So, why not secure your future with these BlockDAG miners?
These miners are built on the SHA-256 algorithm, allowing you to mine other traditional coins of your choice, such as Bitcoin. Now, let's do a brief overview of our mining products. First in our lineup, we have the BlockDAG X1, the app miner. This miner allows members to mine with just a smartphone and nothing else. Boost your mining rate with a tap on the lightning button to deliver 20 BDAG coins per day. At launch price, this will bring you more than $1 a day. You'll be able to download the app completely free on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store within the next 6 months.
And that's, everyone has a phone these days. And if you're able to participate in this network from your phone, then that just secures the network even more.
Next up, we have the BlockDAG X10, the entry-level miner. This compact mini modem offers incredible ease of connection to the network. Place it anywhere by your bed or TV and let it work for you. It provides versatility without compromising on performance. Achieve up to 200 BDAG coins per day. This equates to more than $10 in daily earnings at launch. This comes with a hash rate of 100 megahash a second and for the cost of only $130. Moving up the ladder, we introduced the BlockDAG X30. With more advanced capabilities than its predecessor, the X30 is a step up from the X10. This powerhouse delivers up to 600 coins per day, which brings you daily earnings of $30. This comes with a hash rate of 280 gigahash a second and for the cost of only $600. And finally, we have our flagship miner, the large and in charge X100. This giant stands above the rest with its powerful processing capabilities. You can yield up to 2,000 coins per day, all with an energy-efficient and noise-insulated design with a hash rate of 2 terahash a second and for the cost of only $1,500. Now, just to put that into perspective at launch price, this will equate to over $100 per day. Now, that's just at launch. Imagine what the earnings potential could be if the coin reaches $1. And
you're looking at $2,000 a day. That's pretty insane. I mean, the hash rate is insane. The price points are insane. I mean, that's like a 30% cash-on-cash return a month within 30 days. Actually, it's actually 200 cash-on-cash return within 30 days, which is just insane.
Corporate clients and also the people who would like to build an industrial-sized mining farm, you can get in touch with our specialist team directly through our website in the private clients section. Secure your BDAG miner now with our live pre-order on our official website at www.blockdag.network. Just click on the buy button and follow the simple steps to get started. At BlockDAG, we're not content with simply following the footsteps of our predecessors. We're forging a new path, blazing a trail towards a future.
And blockchain, like I said, I do have a helium miner, so this is right up my alley.
Technology empowers individuals and transforms industries. BlockDAG's hybrid consensus mechanism ensures lightning-fast transaction speeds without compromising on security. With an impressive rate of 10 confirmations per second, it surpasses traditional proof-of-work blockchains, while offering robust protection against attacks. We partnered with some of the biggest security firms to ensure our platform is robust and reliable. We're undergoing rigorous audits to guarantee the highest level of security. As for the contract address, it will be released alongside our mainnet launch within the next 6 months. Stay tuned for updates on our official channels. BlockDAG doesn't settle for being just a ledger. It aims to lead the smart contract domain. By leveraging DAG technology, it aspires to become the ultimate hub for smart contracts, fostering a dynamic environment for DeFi services. You'll be able to find some of your favorite coins on our network after launch, with some of the most famous ones already applying development environments on our back end. BlockDAG addresses the key challenges of blockchain technology, including speed, scalability, spendability, and security. It envisions a future where blockchain serves as a powerful force for positive transformation. How do you make money in the BlockDAG world? With BlockDAG, there are countless opportunities to earn and grow your wealth. Let's dive into the ways to grow your sources of income.
I'm excited to hear about these ways to earn income. So you guys should definitely be excited too, because that's why we're all here, right? To make a little bit of money.
By mining BDAG coins using any of our 4 miners, you can generate passive income from the comfort of your own home or smartphone. Secondly, once you generate purchase coins, you can trade these on all the platforms and exchanges where BDAG coins will be listed. And lastly, generate income easily from reselling BlockDAG miners on a number of reselling platforms where we've already seen miners triple in price on some of your favorite platforms such as Shopify, eBay, and Amazon. So, whether you're mining for rewards, trading coins on exchanges, or even reselling hardware on platforms like eBay and Amazon, there's no shortage of ways to get involved and contribute to the BlockDAG ecosystem. Let's put your potential earnings into perspective. From each of our BDAG miners alone, your earnings from mining can be from $1 all the way up to over $100 daily. And remember, that's just at launch price. With our competitive reward system and cutting-edge mining technology, the sky's the limit for what you can achieve with BlockDAG by your side. Our roadmap is a testament to our commitment to innovation and growth, from enhancing mining technology to expanding our network of merchants and exchanges. We're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain technology. BlockDAG's launch strategy unfolds in 4 key phases. Launch phase, establish BDAG's initial valuation.
I love that they're going over the roadmap now. This is solid. So launch phase, pre-sale, and this is what's going on right now.
Conduct thorough audits and launch targeted marketing campaigns with a referral scheme. Next, the development phase. Simultaneously maintain pre-sale momentum while initiating mainnet development. Produce specialized mining hardware and apps. Form strategic partnerships and stay ahead of market trends with regular updates this year. Then,
and I think that's the phase that they're doing right now, actually, because obviously they want to form those strategic alliances. They're doing their layer 1. They're developing the miners. So all
the pre-launch phase. Sustain pre-sale traction. Deploy the smart contract. Refine mainnet reliability. Engage early adopters for testing. Bolster security measures and prepare the community through workshops and support. And lastly, the final phase. Conclude the pre-sale. Finalize mainnet adjustments. Gear up for mining operations. Release software and guides. Promote the mobile app. Deliver our crypto payment cards and miners, and maintain incentives for hardware purchases. This meticulously crafted roadmap is designed to take us to the top 50 position on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listings worldwide. Structured to optimize overall performance and amplify profits for the BlockDAG community. In comparison to other blockchain projects like Helium, Caspa, and Bitcoin, BlockDAG stands to be the beacon of innovation and progress. When we look at the trajectory of blockchain projects like Bitcoin, Helium, and Caspa, we see remarkable growth and potential. For instance, Bitcoin started as a niche concept with a value of essentially zero, and today it has increased by 72 million%. Caspa, another notable project, started from an idea and has experienced significant growth, currently valued at over 6,000% since its launch, and also Helium at more than 2,000%. Now, let's envision the potential for BlockDAG. With our innovative hybrid consensus mechanism, robust smart contract capabilities, and intuitive user interface, we're poised for exponential growth. Imagine starting from a point similar to where Doge and Shiba began, and achieving a 50x increase in value just on pre-sale, going into the thousands of percentage after launch. That's the kind of potential our community sees for BlockDAG, and we're determined to make it a reality. In conclusion, BlockDAG represents more than just a blockchain. It embodies a vision of empowerment and innovation. With its diverse range of products and cutting-edge technology, BlockDAG is not merely following in the footsteps of its predecessors. It's blazing a trail towards a future where blockchain technology transforms industries and empowers individuals worldwide. So, I invite you to join us on this journey towards a better, more decentralized future. With BlockDAG, the possibilities are endless, and the adventure never ends. Thank you, and welcome to BlockDAG, where we're not just dreaming about the future, we've built it.
I love the presentation. It's pretty solid. I think it's to have everyone on their smartphones mining this, really decentralizes this. Having the different layers, I think is very, not the different layers, but the different vehicles, like from the smartphone all the way to the X100 is solid. As you can see, they have their little calculator here, depending on how much you want to earn and the price point of the token. So like if you had the price at launch at 0.05, the moon, you'd be making $2,000 a day. So pretty neat little calculator. You can win $2 million USD by them doing a giveaway. So they're doing the big things within this project. You definitely want to check out the Telegram because they already have 17,000 people following them on Telegram. So definitely a huge following. All of their algorithms and white paper is right here. As far as their product overviews, their ecosystems, facts or frequently asked questions, the proof of work consensus, and everything that you need to know about this project. It is pretty amazing. They have their payment card, they have their miners, shipping and handling, and then blockchain basics, mainnet versus the testnet. So very exciting stuff. I'm very excited about this project. You guys should be too. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this project. All links are in the description. And remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.